everyone, today we are going to play our game whose name is Lost in the Moon, and this game is based on the real life concept of how the man went to the moon and he found his starship lost or damaged, and now he has to come back. But here there are a lot of dragons. Now he has a challenge to fight with them and collect some of the fossils and make have some food, and just you have to make him alive. So his life is also in danger, so you have to survive, you have to drink water and food. There are all of those things are very limited. So let's continue to watch our game. This is our main menu. It gives the option of play, options and exits, and this is the lost of the moon. If you go inside the option, we have this option buttons, and here we are going to add our audio video settings, qualities, and these types of thing. And later on we are working on that right now. So we go back, and this is our exit button. If you click this exit, the game will be exit, and this is the play button. And if I click this, then let's go over what we can see. Now, after the short clip of that shows that we're landing to the moon. We came from Earth back home. Now we're in the moon. Now this is the other level. We have 6 level. We're planning to make a 6th level, but we only have 3 levels right now. So our game will be based on 3 levels. Level 1 is easy, medium, and 2 is medium, and 3rd is harder. With each level, the amount of dragon will be more, and the power the dragon generates will be more, and the search of the key will be more harder for us. So let's go into the game. Let's start with the level 1 of the game. So let's see what we can see here. Now currently I'm in the game, and so you can see that I can kill the dragons here. So I can run anywhere else. So our running is very smooth, and to complete this whole game we have to kill at least 10 dragons, and we have to collect all those materials 1, 2 and 3 that is shown in the screen. Mission progress, that you can see that we just collected one of the materials, and it says done in material 2. So we still need to kill like 6 more dragons and collect 2 more materials to go to the next level. So here we find another material, so we're gonna pick it up, and we'll go to we're gonna kill them so that we can have a kill at least 6 more, so we can go to the next level. So you can see that our health is decreasing when the dragons attack. So you can see in the health bar in the left corner, so you can see there, so our health bar is decreasing. So there are arrow that points our inventory. You can see that there is little bit of arrow like yellow arrow that points the spaceship, and the inventory that is present there. So we're killing the dragons. So it's 9 kill already, so we only need 1 more to complete our requirement. We completed our requirement. So you can see on the screen, so it says go to the rocket launch to go to the next level. So when you come here, you'll have to press the button E to run the spaceship. Now you are landed to the level 2. So to complete this level 2, we have to find 4 more materials, and we can even skip the dragon if we can, but to reach to the inventory we have to kill the dragons that is surrounded them. So you can see that the dragons is surrounding the inventory, so we have to kill them. Even though we didn't kill them like we can just go away from them as well. So let's move to the next inventory. There is one more. You can see that there is one green arrow that's showing towards the inventory where the key is. So it makes us easy to find our requirement material. So we can go just there and just pick it up. So we have done 2 of those materials. Now we are left with 2 more. So let's kill it first. I really enjoy this game playing. I think I have played this game many times, so I feel I'm very confident over what should I do. So for a new user, it may be a bit harder to complete this all. So you can see another arrow of blue is showing to that inventory, so I have to kill this dragon and freeze there. So they are trying to come to me, but max speed, so like it looks like the character is walking so fast, but it is not like that. So now you can see we finish all of those required materials. Now we can reach to the next level. So we have to reach to the spaceship and click E. Now we are in the level 3. This is our level 3 and one of the hardest level, and these players have the life of 200 HP, and we have a less health, and our trust and hunger is decrease faster. So here we have to collect 5 more materials. In for level first we have 3, and level 4, now level 5 we have 5 materials to collect, and every material is collected by at least 4 protected by at least 4 or 5 of the dragons, so it is harder to take all the inventories from them. So we have done 1, and now we need 4 more of the materials to complete this level. So let's move forward, let's kill them. This area we have one of the material here, just take it out, press E. Yeah, we have air, we have another here, so there are a lot of dragons covering them, so let's finish them all. Let's kill, let's go on. Yeah, we can take now. We are done with 3 materials, we're still remaining with 2. We're still remaining. You can see that we have killed 24 dragons out of 10, so we are doing we kill a lot of dragons. We can see there are a lot of dragons left. They are not allowing me to go to the inventory, so, but we're gonna definitely reach there by killing them all. Oh yeah, you need that key. Just go away from my road. Yeah. Away. Let's go to the last one material. Now we're just at the end of the game. So let's move to the next level. Last one material we need, but they are surrounded by a lot of dragons. We are successful to collect those materials. Now we have to go to the starship. Spaceships to go home. We're going back home to the Earth. Let's kill them all. Now just go there and press E. Now you can see that the spaceship is launching, and we're going back home. So we're gonna see this animation when we complete our game, and we're gonna land to the Earth like this. You can see we also have made this vibration effect here. It shows like we're landing from Earth in a very fast speed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the game, and there are a lot of bugs we still have to fix it. Until now we really work hard, and I know I believe that you love our game and give us your good feedback. Thank you.